In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to pick any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you're ready, hit apply to save it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. In order to customize it, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!